What's a cold plunge? Have you ever seen behind-the-scenes videos of your favorite sport and saw players submerging themselves into large icy tubs? This is referred to as a cold plunge, which is essentially the practice of taking an ice bath following physical exertion. It is also known as cold treatment or cold water immersion. A quick plunge into an ice bath is precisely what it sounds like, a chilly plunge. But cold plunges are fast, therapeutic dips in ice water as opposed to the long, soothing baths you take for self-care. According to experts, you can make an ice bath by adding 3 big bags of ice to a bathtub that has been partially filled with cold water. Make sure the water in your bath is at least 53 degrees Fahrenheit, 11.6 degrees Celsius. However, experts advise starting much warmer, at roughly 68°F, 120°C, if you've never taken an ice bath before. But don't be duped, that's still way too chilly. If your health is good and you don't have any of the underlying health conditions, taking cold plunges can help ease your painful muscles. Experts believe that using an ice bath can provide great relief for some people. This type of cold therapy can benefit patients in a physical, mental, and functional way. Even though a small 2017 study revealed that ice baths may not be as helpful as previously believed, many medical experts still find them to be effective, particularly those who treat athletes. Additionally, a 2021 study of soccer players revealed that basic post-sport recovery was promoted by cold water immersion therapy. Benefits may include 1. Relieves tense muscles. After a hard game, workout, or a lengthy run, the cold water constricts your blood vessels, slowing blood flow and relieving some of the swelling and tightness in your muscles. But once more, make sure you're not treating actual pain, just post-workout aches. Don't use cold to numb the discomfort. You may be delaying appropriate healing. 2. Lowers the core body temperature. Given that you've just worked up a sweat, cooling off with an icy dip makes sense. The cool water quickly lowers your core temperature when your body is hot and after an exercise. But use caution. Prolonged use of an ice bath might dangerously drop your body's core temperature. In sports, ice baths are used for runners and other athletes who are experiencing heat injuries as an emergency treatment to lower their core temperature. 3. Help strengthen your concentration. You may find the occasional cold plunge enjoyable, particularly if you discover that the shock of cold helps focus your mind. 4. Improve your quality of sleep. While more research is needed in this area, some individuals have claimed anecdotal benefits from it by feeling less fatigue overall and better sleep. 5. Reduces inflammation. Your blood vessels constrict when exposed to cold water, which might lessen inflammation-related swelling. However, it really comes down to determining what feels best for your body, as some people find that heat reduces inflammation more effectively. What is the ideal duration for a cold plunge? It is advisable to keep it brief, with a maximum of 10 minutes and 5 minutes for a beginner or less. If you cannot tolerate the cold, go slow and start low just to make sure you can handle it. Don't go too cold or stay longer than you are able. Risks and who shouldn't take an ice bath. It's crucial to know whether taking an ice bath is safe for you before doing so. Consult your physician beforehand, since individuals with certain medical issues may be negatively affected by cold plunges and may even be in danger. Ask your doctor if you suffer from heart conditions, high blood pressure, diabetes, peripheral neuropathy, poor circulation, stasis of the veins, cold agglutinin sickness. Using cold therapy to treat pain from a more serious injury, such as a fractured bone or torn tendon, is not recommended. If you find this video helpful, share it with your loved ones. Take care now and good luck with you cold plunges. Don't forget to like and subscribe.